Want to watch World of Street Woman Fighter in English? Here's how to enjoy the show with English subtitles or dubbing. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Check streaming platforms. First, check major streaming platforms like Netflix, Viki, or YouTube. These platforms often have popular Korean shows with English subtitles or dubbed versions. Step 2. Use subtitles for English. If the show is only available in Korean, you can still watch it with English subtitles. Look for subtitle options on the platform you're using. Most streaming platforms allow you to turn on English subtitles for foreign content. Step 3. Look for official English dubs, if available. If you prefer watching with English dubbing, check if English dubbed versions are available. Some streaming services release dubbed versions shortly after the show's initial release. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Search for fan-subbed versions. If the show isn't available with official English subtitles or dubbing, look for fan-subbed versions online. There are communities dedicated to subtitling content quickly after release. Step 5. Check for DVD or Blu-ray versions. If streaming isn't an option, check for DVD or Blu-ray versions of World of Street Woman Fighter. These may come with English subtitles or dubbing. That's how you can watch World of Street Woman Fighter in English. Use streaming platforms, subtitles, or check for fan-subbed versions. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.